In school level and college level, students, private schools studying Diamond Higher Secondary School, Gopichittivalayam, Diamond Matriculation School, Higher Secondary School, Panama Girls Higher Secondary School, CKK, Panama Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Sri Vidyalaya, Vaikal Road, Gopichittivalayam, Bharati Vidyalaya Matriculation Higher Secondary School, CBSE School also, Matriculation School and Sara International School, CBSE, Kodiveri. Government schools, Kurumundur, Monapalayam, Government Higher Secondary School, Malayapalayam, Government Higher Secondary School, Arts and Science College in Erode, Coimbatore, Gopi Arts and Science College, Autonomous Gopichittivalayam, and Krishna Arts and Science College, PhD Arts and Science College, PhD Krishnamar, SNS, Arts and Science College, PhD Institute of Technology, PhD Institute of Management, Bharati University, and then these are available, and then Engineering College, Erode, Coimbatore, Kungu Engineering College, Padurai, PhD Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, Krishna Engineering College, Coimbatore, Banarman Institute of Technology, Sati, Universities, Anna University, Chennai, Engineering, and then Bharati University, Coimbatore, Bharati University, Trichy, IIM, IIT, all IIM in India, all IIT in India, MBBS, MS, MD courses, MBBS, General course, UG, NEET exam, MS, Master of Surgery, MD, Physician or General Medicine இல்லையா அதே மாதிரி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஜிப்மர் பாண்டிச்சேரி எய்ம்ஸ் பாண்டிச்சேரி மெடிக்கல் காலேஜ் என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எக்ஸாம் CA ACS if you are completed BCom degree go to CA ACS or BBA MBA go to ACS commercial secretary office available at Chitra, CA office available at Arspuram, Chartered Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, BCom, MCom, and then Anna, JEE, TANSET, GAT, MAT, IIM, IIT entrance exam, and then JEE Engineering, and these are available in entrance exam completed, and then go to reputed institutions, Kongu Engineering College and Banarman Technology. These are available for engineering and Anna University, Anna University Coimbatore. These are available for Anna University Chennai. Okay, and then if you are completed, actually I think that e-commerce, online shopping, Java, HTML, BE Computer Science, and then BSc Computer Science, MSc Computer Science or MCA, BCom, MCom, BBA, MBA, CASS, MBBS, MS, MD. These are now useful in life. Thank you. Welcome students. Welcome. Thank you. This is Small Indian Film PGC. Thank you. Welcome.